Hey guys, it's me, Makai from Kai's Corner, and today I will be doing a house tour on Bloxburg. So I'm not sure if I did this before, but if I did, I destroyed my whole entire house from last time, and um, I rebuilt it. So yeah, it's a big giant mansion and it's 5 floors. So yeah, I'm excited to show you guys my new house. I've worked really hard on it. Took me about like maybe 4 or 5 days to finish. So yeah, let's get started. Well, if I load into the game quick enough. Okay guys, I'm at my house. This is my house. I really like it. Well, it needs to fully load first. Okay, so this is my house. First, I have this water fountain, and I don't really use it, but it's just there for decoration. Next is my pool. You can access it from this door right here. I'll give you a little sneak peek from that door. And it has a beach ball, and it has I forget what
It's called. There's 2 chairs if you want to relax. But
I'm probably not going to use it right now because it is wintertime in Bloxburg. Next, let's go to the front door. I have these bushes.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
But I'm not good at taking care of plants. Gardening isn't my thing. So yeah, let's walk straight in. Close the door behind us. Oops. And here is my kitchen. So first I have this small table, maybe where I eat breakfast and stuff. And this is my kitchen. Someone knocked on my door. What do you want? Well, wait, what? Can you get, what? What are you doing in here? Excuse me. You can't just walk in my house like that. I'm kicking them out and blocking them. What's their usernames? You are blocked. You are blocked. Okay. Anyways. Let's move on. This is from breakfast when I was role-playing before. But they left the game before we got to eat. Next, this is my dining room. Yeah, it's just a regular dining room. And yeah. Okay. Wow, they really replied with,
excuse me, yes we can.
wow. And then they said,
You can't just block us with no reason. We are the Kardashians.
seriously. This is my guest bathroom. It's just a regular bathroom. The garage. This is the garage with my car. And I have an automatic garage opener, garage door, something like that. Next, this is my living room. I got this big TV in the shelf with a bunch of stuff. I have a snow globe collection up there, and some toys and some books down there. Yeah, that's it. Going upstairs. So this is my room. There's an M, some bookshelves, and TV. I like my room. Here's my closet. is the bathroom. This is my bathroom. So I made this shower slash bath thingy with a shower up here. Next is my music room. There's some thing on here, some instruments, and I can have 2 things to play music on. So yeah. Next, this is Sadie's room. Shout out to SBlogs1. Hold on, let me turn on the lights. Shout out to SBlogs1. Go subscribe to her channel. This is her room in my house. And yeah. Next, let's go upstairs. Oh man, hold on guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go work. Turn on these lights. Okay, let's finish with the tour. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. So inside this room, this is the adult guest room. Adult slash teen. Someone I was role playing with, changed the picture, so yeah. So this is the adult slash teen bedroom. Guest bedroom. Let me make the bed. And yeah. Next, this is the 3rd floor guest bathroom. Just a regular bathroom, has 2 sinks, and next, this is the space-themed playroom. So this is a playroom for kids who are over here, and it's space-themed. I did a space-themed playroom in my old house too. So yeah.
Kylie Jenner just had a baby.
This is a guest bedroom for kids. So 4 kids can stay in here because there's 2 bunk beds. There's this where you can play music, and a TV up here, some books, and a seat where you can sit down. Next, let's go upstairs. Okay. This is the picture wall. I have a bunch of pictures. I have Doge. I have animals. I have a pig. I have dogs everywhere. I have like 3 Doges up there. But let's move on to this area. This is the electronic room. I need to put a chair here, but yeah. Victor, I don't feel like FaceTiming you right now. This is the party room. There's so many different color lights. Some of them aren't too bright, so it's not too bright in here. But that's okay. So yeah, there's so many different colors and lights in here. I was gonna do a party floor, but I changed my mind. Next, over here, this is the dance studio. Because I like to dance, and here you can play music, and here's the mirror that you can dance. The mirrors in Roblox always look weird. You can't actually see yourself. It's just like the sky, kind of. This is the gym. My at-home gym, so I don't have to go to the gym next to the grocery store in Bloxburg, if you know what I mean. And yeah, there's some, you can lift weights, you can punch on a punching bag, and you can do this, the treadmill. And there's also a place where you can relax and just sit down and stuff. So yeah. Going upstairs. Okay, So this first room right here, this is the, oh, this is my friend Olivia's room. Not the one who goes to my school. A different one. Let me make the bed. Like bluish teal themed, and has a TV and a sitting area and books and yeah. This is my mom's room. I tried to make it like a modern room. She said her favorite color is red, so I did like a reddish white theme. I forgot to change the color of the rug, but that's okay. And yeah. Next, this is just an extra room if I want to build anything in there, and this is also an extra room if I want to build anything in there. And that is the end of my tour. So this is my house. I hope you like it. And this is the end of my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and more. Bye.